So hey guys, we are team 4 and our project is Smart Door Lock, and myself I am Neranjan K of Brown Tag from EC department, and our mentor is Vibhushita. She is a red tag from EC department. She has really helped us a lot in the making of this project. So now let us hear from our teammates.
Hi guys, I am Deepak Vasan from EC Brown Tag.
Hi guys, this is Mohammad Afsal from EC department Brown Tag.
Hi guys, myself Banu Budap from EC department Brown Tag CEG.
So let me explain the working of a door lock software. Each user will authorize the RFID card, the SMURA and the Telegram app installed on their phones. So if someone uses the authorized access card, that is the RFID card, the Arduino authorizes it and then opens the door lock for them. So if someone uses an unauthorized RFID card, the Arduino does not allow them and it sends a command to the ESP cam, which then takes a photo of that person and sends it to your phone to the Telegram app using the Telegram bot that you have created, so that you can see who is using the unauthorized card to enter your house. So next is that if you are, let us assume you are sitting inside your house and there is someone at the doorstep. If they press the doorbell, it then triggers the ESP cam, which then also takes the photo of the person standing at the doorstep and sends it to your phone to the Telegram app with the Telegram bot. And you can control the lock using this SMURA from the place you are sitting. So next let's come to the SMURA. So this SMURA and the ESP cam are connected to the ThinkSpeak backend. So all the controls in the SMURA is then sent to the ThinkSpeak backend, which then is sent to the ESP cam. So this ESP cam receives all those information and then uses the Arduino to control the door lock. So that's how the SMURA controls our door lock.
So now let me take you all through the components. So here is the FTDA module which is being connected to the laptop. So this FTDA module will power up the ESP32 cam, RFID and the Arduino respectively. So the ESP32 cam is also connected to the red and green LEDs respectively in order for the indication purpose of the door, which is nothing but the door lock. So now the RFID is also connected with these red and green LEDs for the same purpose. Now this Arduino acts as the brain of the whole system. Now this Arduino is also connected to the servo motor, which is a prototype of our door lock. Now let me take you through the demo of our project.
So this is a person with an authorized ID card, and his ID card will be scanned and the door lock will be automatically opened. And this is a stranger with an unauthorized ID card. He will be refused and the door stays locked, and a picture of him will be sent to the Telegram bot.
When someone presses the calling bell, our device captures the photo and sends it to the Telegram bot.
Now, using the SMURA app, we lock and unlock the door respectively, and enabling lockdown enables complete lockdown, and RFID won't be able to authorize the lock.
Everything has its own merits and demerits. Let me explain the merits and demerits of our mini project. Starts with merits. It is secure under your palm. You can control the door lock using your mobile phone at any time and everywhere. Provide remote access to the door lock, and provides information about the person who is trying to open the door, and gives the photos of the person who is pressing the calling bell. And demerits. Our mini project depends mainly on the Wi-Fi connection. If there is an interruption in the Wi-Fi connection, the main process can be stuck or interrupted by the Wi-Fi. So it cannot work without the Wi-Fi connection. If someone lost their RFID and their mobile phone, it is hard to open the door.
So these are the future updates that we plan. First is to maintain the log of when the door is open and the door is closed. Next is to introduce a new feature in the app for video surveillance from remote places. Next is to remove the use of Telegram so that we send the photos directly from directly to our phone to the SMORE app from the ESP32 cam. Next is to improve the app from the feedback of the users.